This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will discuss how to design an algorithm to calculate area of a circle when radius is given. So you know very well that an algorithm is a finite steps which is used to solve a problem. So we will write down the formula to calculate this area of a circle. The formula is pi r squared. So we will put the value area is equal to 3.14, the value of pi. So asterisk is used to perform multiplication, and then we will write radius into radius. So this is how we type in computer programming to calculate the area of circle in computer, whereas the basic formula is pi r squared, which we use normally in mathematical notation. So first of all we will write the first step, which is begin, which is used to start an algorithm, and then we'll type print enter radius. Since print is a statement which is used to display some output on the screen, and whatever is mentioned within enclosed in the double quotes will be displayed as it is. So this is the message which we would like to show in the beginning. We have started the algorithm with the keyword statement begin, and then we have used the print to display this message on the screen. This is what we user can see right after. If you write down the computer program, then the first message the user can see right after executing the program will be the enter radius message. Right after that we will type one more step, which is input, and this is again a statement which is used to take the input, and we need to take the value of r, the radius. R is a variable which is used over here to take the input of radius, and then we'll store into it so that further mathematical calculation can be performed on it. So these are the three different steps we have just written, and now right after that we will type the formula, which is area is equal to 3.14 into r. So r is used as a variable which is used to take the value of radius, and we'll store into it, and here r will be multiplied with r, and then will be multiplied with the pi value, which is 3.14. so here the right hand side, this whole calculation will be stored to this variable area. So right hand side expression, calculation, constant, or any variable is always assigned to the left hand side. Is the rule of assignment operator, and this equal to sign is used as an assignment operator over here. So this whole calculation, this whole expression will be stored to the will be assigned and stored to the left hand side where the variable area is mentioned. The next step is we will now finally display the output, which is the value of area. We will use print and we'll type area. So viewers, there's a difference between these two print statements. The first print statement is used right after the print statement. You can see the double quotation marks and enter radius is enclosed within it. So this whatever is mentioned and enclosed in the double quotes used with the print statement will be displayed on the screen. But when some variable or any value and anything used without enclosed in the double quotes and used with the print statement, the value stored in that variable will be displayed on the screen. So here now this area has this whole formula calculation and will display the value stored in it. So this variable is used to display the value of area which is now calculated in this formula. And in the end we will type end, which is again a keyword, a reserved word, which is used to denote and represent that now this algorithm is ended. So this is the whole algorithm, a very simple algorithm. I'm going to interpret it. We'll write down the one each and every line definition, how it is used. The first keyword or reserved are both have same meaning, so you can call it keyword or reserved words. Word begin is used to represent the beginning, or you can call it starting of the algorithm. Print statement is used, and after that enter radius is a message which is enclosed in double quotation. So whatever is mentioned enclosed in double quotes with print statement will be displayed on the screen. So basically this is an output. Print is always used as an output, so this print statement will be displaying the message enter radius on the screen. So then user can then give the value of the radius, which will be stored by using the input statement. Input statement is used to take the input from the user and then store in the variable named R. Formula area equal to 3.14 into R is used to calculate area of the circle. In this line, the expression at the right hand side, on the right hand side, 3.14 into R will be assigned and stored to the left hand side, where you can see variable named area, which will now store the whole expression. So area has now the final output of the algorithm, and it is important to note that the rule of assignment operation is the right hand side is always assigned and stored to the left hand side. So it should always be kept in mind. Never the left hand side is assigned to the right hand side, but the right hand side is always assigned to the left hand side. This is what we must note in programming and in algorithm writing. The last step is the print statement. Now display the value stored in the variable named area, which is now which can now display the final output of the algorithm. Since the variable area is not enclosed in the double quotation marks, therefore the value stored in it will give us the final output. That what we required. In the end statement is used, which is used to represent the closing ending of the algorithm. So this is the whole interpretation, viewers. I have just told you line by line. So what is the use of begin, what is the use of print over here, what is the use of input, what is the use of R, why we have used R, why we have used the variable named area, and what is the purpose of using these two print statements, and why we have used these double quotation marks over here with the first print statement, and why we didn't use the double quotation marks with this second print statement. There's a logic. Computer programming is all about the logic. If you learn the logic, then you can be capable of making any program. So first of all, if the logics are clear, the concepts are clear, you can never find any kind of difficulty while doing programming. So this is how we should know each and every single point, comma, single quote, double quote, question mark, equal to sign, whatever symbols, whatever the keywords, whatever the letters we are using over here, whatever the characters are used, we should know the meaning of each and every of them. Otherwise we can't make our concepts clear and can never become a good programmer. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching my video.